24-year-old Megan Wu was invited on board the ill-fated motorized boat that crashed on May 31st, 2022 by her friend Zainab Altakawi. Altakawi testified Thursday that she was sitting on a bench on deck next to Wu and Julio Abrantes, who were sleeping as they were headed back to the marina that night, while a man named Eddie was driving the boat. Filip Grkovski was the owner and captain of the boat, but Altakawi testified that Grkovski and Eddie kept taking turns at the helm. Altakawi said less than 2 minutes before the boat crash, she woke up feeling nauseous and went below deck to use the washroom. As she was downstairs with 3 other women, she said the boat crashed, telling court they were stuck down there for, quote, probably 45 minutes. The boat was slanted. It was completely flipped, sitting on a rock, and it was sinking. Thank God we didn't drown because the rock was able to hold the boat up. We were just panicking, screaming, crying, trying to get out of the window. We could see out the windows that most of them made it to the rocks, not caring about us sinking. The only person trying to get us out was Filip. She testified Grkovski was swimming out to the boat and trying to pull his girlfriend Vanessa out. Eventually, the women were saved after a hole was cut in the hull. Altakawi saying that by then she was completely incoherent and unconscious. Sadly, Wu and 34-year-old Abrantes were trapped under the boat and died. A pathologist testified she performed autopsies on Megan Wu and Julio Abrantes and concluded their cause of death was drowning. A toxicologist also took the stand and testified that Grkovski was taken to hospital that night and his blood was drawn at 4:33 a.m. The toxicologist estimated at the time of the crash, Grkovski's blood alcohol content was between 85 and 159 milligrams of alcohol per 100 milliliters of blood. The legal limit is 80. She testified that an individual over 50 milligrams of alcohol per 100 milliliters of blood would have been impaired while driving a motorized watercraft. Grkovski has pleaded not guilty to 8 counts, including criminal negligence and impaired operation causing death. The trial continues. Catherine McDonald, Global News.